Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading from 11th of July till 21st of July. Okay, so keep in mind this might or might not resonate with you, and the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, and if this is not resonating with you, of course this is not your story. Okay, so let's start. Boom. I'm so excited for Taurus reading always because I'm a Taurus myself, and Leos as well because I'm a Leo rising. Okay, so let's see what is happening with us, guys. Taurus gang. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Taurus. Your partner's current energy right now is okay. The Sun. Okay. I feel like Taurus right now your partner is feeling really happy about something in their life. Okay, might be you're making them happy, might be there's something else in their life that is making them really happy, and they are feeling like they are on cloud nine right now. Okay, let's see why they are feeling so happy. You could be dealing with the Leo, by the way. Okay, let's clarify the Sun in their current energy. It's a very beautiful energy. The Sun is the happiest card in the deck, and I feel like your partner right now is feeling the happiest. Might be because of you, might be they are happy because of their professional life. Let's see. Three of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups and the Nine of Cups. Okay, so I feel like right now your partner is doing some kind of project or something, and they are feeling really happy about that project. They are feeling like yes, they got it, and they got some kind of beautiful energy, some kind of beautiful working space, working environment, and this is some kind of wish fulfillment. So I feel like right now your partner is feeling happy because of some kind of work related, project related happiness that they are dealing with right now. This person right now is feeling deeply in love and deeply satisfied. This person right now is dealing with some kind of wish fulfillment energy in their life. Beautiful energy. Let's see what's your current energy. Taurus, let's see what's your current energy. Nine of Swords. So I feel like Taurus, you are somewhere stressed or you are not able to sleep. Insomniac, might be you're under so much pressure, under so much stress that you are not able to sleep. Even anxiety. It is like card of anxiety, stress, and taking too much work that you can't even handle. Taking unnecessary stress. This is your condition right now, and I can relate it to myself because I'm traveling a lot these days and I'm not able to sleep as well. This is the situation with me. I can clearly understand why I'm getting this as a current energy for me, for myself as well, being a Taurus. Like, let's clarify. Six of Pentacles, the Chariot in reverse, and the Seven of Wands. I feel like Taurus, you want equal give and take of energy with the universe or with some person right now. You're trying to move on, but you're not able to move on. This is the situation, Taurus. And you are standing your own ground. Although you're feeling like I should move on, you're not able to move on, but still you are acting defensive. You're not ready for any kind of relationship in your life right now, especially romantic relationship. This is the energy. This is what I'm getting for you guys. This is why you're stressed. This is why you're feeling like what the hell is just happening with my life. I'm not able to control it. So this is the situation with you guys. Okay, you're trying to move on, but you're not able to move on, and you're standing your ground. You are acting very defensive. You are acting like I don't want any kind of shit in my life. I don't want any person in my life. I don't want this. I don't want that. Yeah, this is what is happening with us, guys. It's okay. This will also pass. Yeah, right. Let's see. Let's see what this person is feeling for you right now. Their feelings for you. What this person is feeling for you. Your partner. By the word this person, I mean your partner. Lots of people ask me, who is this person? Who is this person? Come on, yaar. Use your common sense. Please, huh? Let's see what this person is feeling for you again. Nine of Wands. This person is deeply feeling passionate about you. Although this is a passionate energy, this is a non-committal energy. I don't feel like this person is ready to commit, but they are really passionate about you. They are really sexually attracted towards you. Very sexually attracted towards you. Oops. They want to have bang on connection with you. Okay, this person is feeling like they should be with you. There should be physical intimacy. They are feeling like they should touch you. They should have sex with you, and they should have lots of pleasurable things with you. Okay, if this is what you like, this is what they feel. Let's clarify. But I can see that this person is very very passionate about you, still non-committal. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands. Okay, they are very very passionate about you, but beneath this passionate energy, beneath this non-committal energy, their long-term plans are to get married with you, to have a stable life with you, to have a stable connection with you. Right now I feel like this person is not going to reveal it to you that they feel like that. They are going to just make you feel like, okay, I'm passionate about you and I feel really happy with you. Whenever you are with me, Taurus, I feel really happy. You are kind of mini celebrity to me. You make me feel like alive again. Ooh la la. These are your feelings for you, Taurus. Yeah. But yeah, right now they're not going to show it to you that they are thinking about a long-term committed connection or something like that. Yeah. Let's see, Taurus, what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Let's see. This person wants you to wait. This person definitely wants you to wait for the right time, and they are going to make everything correct. They have taken some kind of decision. They have already took the decision that what they want in your life, in their life. So this person wants you to wait. If you can wait, this person just wants you to wait for the right time. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. Okay, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. I feel like this person is no longer confused in what they want in their life. This person is feeling like the worst is over. Now they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work from their side in this connection, and they just want you to wait for the right time. They are going to reveal it to you. They are going to say, I love you to you, and they are going to say, yes, stay with me, or let's grow old with each other. This is the thing that I'm getting here. For most of you, it is like this person just wants you to wait for the right time to arrive, because now this person is no longer confused about you. This person is feeling like the worst is over between you guys. Now this person is ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, and to make this connection work out again. This is what I'm getting for you guys. All this person wants from you is to wait. Yeah. Let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Seven of Cups. I feel like this person will be very very busy. I mean, this person will be very very confused between so many options in their life, whether to handle their professional life, whether to handle their personal life, whether to do that, whether to do that. They are going to give you mixed signals. It is like mixed signals that they are going to give you, Taurus. They're not going to they're not going to be very clear and open about their feelings and about what they want from you. They're going to give you mixed bag of signals. This is the thing. Okay, let's clarify. Six of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Temperance. Okay, you could be dealing with an Aquarius here. I can see that. I feel like this person is feeling what is coming towards it till 21st of July. Lots of memories, past memories. You guys are going to share past memories, and you guys are ready to start this connection all over again. And you just have to be really patient. Patience is the game here. You just have to be really patient. So basically I feel like this person is coming back towards you because they are feeling like you guys had a past history together. You guys loved each other really well, and you guys had like lots of memories together. This person wants to cut out all the negativity and toxicity of the past, and this person is really very patient. They are taking it very slow, really slow, because they are confused right now. Okay, they have lots of things to do. They have lots of things to finish first before they come to you, and before they commit to you, or before they have a any kind of committed connection with you. This is the thing here. This is the thing what I'm getting here. Okay, Taurus, so this is what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is your story, Taurus, and I feel like this will give you some kind of insight to move forward in your life. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali. God bless you. Namaste. See you soon in another reading of July. Bye. Take care. God bless you.